Hello, meet Jane. Like you, she's a student. And like you, Jane struggles in school. And it frustrates her at school because of her needs in communication, academics, and transition. Oh no, that is before using assistive technology devices. Assistive technology solves all those problems for Jane. You might ask, what is assistive technology? AT is any item, piece of equipment, or product system, whether acquired commercially off the shelf, modified, or customized, that is used to increase, maintain, or improve functional capabilities of a child with a disability. Here are some examples of communication AT devices. Tobii Dynavox does indeed use technology. The PEX system does not have to use technology. It can use simple pictures, and then there's the ProQ to Go that does need to use technology. For academics, there are AT devices that do not need to use technology, such as highlighters and sticky notes, and then there are some that do need technology, such as talking calculators, text-to-speech devices, such as audiobooks, or speech-to-text that involve voice typing. Transition devices include all kinds of things such as mobility devices, technology, software including talking clocks and accessibility on televisions such as subtitles, and then even modified utensils for cooking and independent living skills, GPS, and product labeling. Now, Jane can get started right away on her AT devices. Jane can also learn how to socialize and communicate with her peers. Now, look how happy Jane is. And you can be happy too by checking out these AT devices. Thanks, and see you later. Most of these devices can be purchased at your local stores, but for technology devices, they will need to be set up by an adult such as your parents, and here are some websites to check out. Enjoy!